Hi Nisha, thanks for your technical how you are feeling.
It's feeling good, sir.
Yeah, could you please share your experience before IT workshop?
Before IT workshop, we gain only the bookish knowledge, and we don't know about the IT sectors, what's happening in them, and what are the departments. Only we gain only for the college knowledge. So after Techqflow software solutions, we gain some IT sector knowledge. It is the best experience for freshers, and they are with friendly nature, and they are very supportive.
Yeah, which type of knowledge are you gained from this technical software solutions in the workshop?
In IT sector, they are IT sector. Mainly, they will give the knowledge about the IT sector, like departments, how they are working in developers and testers, and in some knowledge like the end users.
Yeah, Techqflow software team, how they are supported.
They are friendly nature, and they are helping us, and they are supportive very.
Yeah, could you please share your experience to the audience and your friends?
Who are seeing this video, and this Techqflow software solutions are the best thing to join in the IT sector. They are not only giving the knowledge, bookish knowledge, and they are giving more knowledge to build ourselves, and we can confidence ourselves, and we can attend any interview with these concepts. Thank you.
Yeah, how much of time can you give?
I will give a rating for the Techqflow software solution 5 out of 5.
Yeah, thank you Nisha.